Verifying your bank account on Casting Networks is an important step to ensure you receive payments for your work. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Casting Networks website and logging into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your bank details. In the payment settings, you will need to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check this information for accuracy. Step 4. Submit verification request. After entering your bank details, submit the verification request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Step 5. Check for confirmation. Keep an eye on your email or account notifications for confirmation that your bank account has been successfully verified. This may take a few days, so be patient. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be verified, allowing you to receive payments through Casting Networks. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.